On today's project, we're gonna get this van bumping with these Vanspeed Capsules. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Matt here for AVC and welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be installing these capsules by Vanspeed. Now these capsules are a way to sleep sideways in your van, and they're especially needed in a Sprinter because it's a little bit narrower than our Ford Transits. These are fiberglass bump outs that protrude outside of the van, so you're going to either have to cut the outside of the van or, in our case, remove the factory glass that was in this location. So on today's episode, we're going to be removing the factory OEM auto glass that was here in the back of the van. If you don't have factory glass, then you're going to have to cut out the metal of your van. Either way, it's a pretty easy solution to do. Whenever we get glass removed here at the shop, we call a professional. Our friends over at OE Auto Glass are our preferred vendor here in Loveland, Colorado. So they're going to stop by, they're going to cut this factory glass out and get us ready to install the capsules ourselves. Then we're going to glue the capsules into the van. We're going to wrap the outsides with vinyl. We thought a vinyl wrap would be kind of an interesting way to go on this van. And I think I like that like dark matte gray silver vinyl. It's going to be kind of a cool look, and we can skip going to an auto body shop to have these things professionally painted. And then we're going to be wrapping the inside. We did our burn fabric on the inside. Then lastly, we're going to install these CRL slider windows. These are the 1033 slider, and that's going to be the last step on this install before we call this job complete. So without further ado, let's get to work. Today we wrapped the Vanspeed capsule with some Avery vinyl, and we were really going for this specific like dark matte silver look, which I thought would be a really cool complement to the Mercedes here. If you have not had a bunch of experience wrapping something, I probably wouldn't recommend going for this. I would just get it painted, and I think we might even do like a rattle can version of this at some point and just like do a spray paint version of painting these, because it is a pain to get these sent out to an auto body shop, get them painted, get them brought back. A lot of auto body shops don't actually want to work on individual stuff like this, so you have to find like an independent mom and pop. Those are few and further between, and if you do, it's going to be pretty expensive. You know, we're looking at $1,500 to maybe a couple of grand just to get these things painted before we put them on the van. It's never that awesome of a thing for me, and so we wanted to try something different. Wrapping them, I think, was pretty successful. They look really cool. We're going to use this same vinyl to do a couple more accents on the van. I think it's really going to tie it together. But if you are curious about us doing a rattle can version of this, where we like spray paint it and then maybe do a cut and buff on it, let us know in the comments, because if you want to see that, we'll do it. So now that these capsules are wrapped on the outside, it's time to wrap the inside. And to do that, we're going to be putting on a 1/4-inch thick Landau pad, just like you see on this side. So this is that 1/4-inch Landau, a little bit more, or a little bit thicker, a little bit more insulation. But since we're going right to the outside of this capsule, we want to put as much padding on here as we can without going like too crazy. So I had some 1/4-inch Landau around the shop. I think this will be a really nice addition. We'll get this Landau on the other side, and we're going to go ahead and match this dark gray burn fabric for both of those. Let's go ahead and get to work. With the Landau installed to the inside of our capsule, we are ready to start actually fabricating the inside of this. So we're going to use the same Foam Fast 74. It's a good, foam and fabric glue. And we're just going to get a single application on the inside of our Landau. With these CRL windows installed, that is it for today's project. If you have any questions about our project today, go ahead and hit us up in the comments below and we'll answer your questions there. If you want to order a set of capsules by Vanspeed for your project at home, go ahead and check out those links in the description below and we can get those put in the mail for you right away. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.